Kim, that middle one's moving. It's falling out, that. Right, how are we all doing? Slightly different video this week. Kim's come up with an idea, haven't you, Kim?
Yeah.
And we're going to try it today, so we just packed all the van up with all the stuff and bits and bats, munchies, brew tackle and stuff like that. It's not a big journey, like, because we've got a dog with us and stuff. But what we're going to do is, what she's decided is, every weekend, right, we're going to utilise the van more, because it's built now. And what Kim's come up with is an idea, because to stop us all arguing, well, not arguing, but saying, oh, where are we going to go today, what do you want to do? And everyone's got different ideas. I mean, George wants to go somewhere, Kim wants to go somewhere, and I want to go somewhere. So we decided, right, we always see on Instagram and stuff like that there's hidden postcodes, hidden places where, like, you know, local gems and stuff where we've not been to and that. And we thought, you know what, let's do something different. So Kim's come up with this idea where we're going to stick all the postcodes in that tub of all local areas around here, probably about an hour and a half-ish away, maybe some closer. And what we're going to do with that is just do a random draw. So every weekend, George and Kim will stick a lot of postcodes in the random ones. I've got a clue where they are, and that's where we're going. So George, pick one out. What are we saying?
So it's postcode OL12 6LW. Haven't got a clue where it is. Must be an Oldham postcode or Rochdale. So we'll type it in and let's go. Yeah!
Right, this could be random. See you in a bit. Right, that's munchies sorted. Fuel stop next. Costco fuel. 191, or something like that. Right, that's us filled up now. Random postcode we're going to. It says on sat nav, what, 43 minutes, 27 mile away. So, let's go.
Are you having your lunch?
Lasted 10 minutes in van before you have to have munchies. Unbelievable.
Joys of living near Manchester. Can't see no hidden gems here, Sean, can you?
Not yet, we're only 1.4 mile away.
God.
These are narrow roads here, if anything comes to the way, we're buggered here. Right, that's just arrived at that random postcode. Get dog a drink now, get her sorted. Nice, Aunt. And as usual, as soon as you pull up, Georgia full of tomato ketchup and now needs a wee. Good job we got a porta potty. Scuff my bloody split on lane and all. Some random shops here, isn't there? What's this?
Wow.
What are we on, George?
Wow, look at that necklace. Wow, look at that.
George, beside that shop. Right, so it says a 10-minute walk to waterfalls, so we're just going to walk up now. Okay. Still not too sure where we're going yet, but...
Little Ginnell down there.
Ginnell? No idea. Yeah, go and sod it, see on the nose. Yeah, we're not going down there. Full of nettles. What are you saying, Kimmy?
Good. Okay.
You're walking 10 minutes.
We'll go there.
So fit youngest and fittest you, George, and you're having a break already. Come on, let's go. I'm much, crazy dog. We're going down here. Down Millie, Thruch. Let's have a look. Come on, let's go have a wander. Mum's gone. What's swimming place? Through the fairy forest. Whoa. Come on then. Nearly there, Mum. Okay. Little sluice. Run that bit there, George. I'm going to walk here, isn't it? Use your hand. Right, stand. Walk, it's a big rock. There you go. There you go. Awesome. Jump on this bit. There you go. In that middle one's moving. It's come falling out that.
On the path.
On the path.
Mom, on the path.
What's your boots? Apparently these old buildings here near tea rooms where they made the bombs, you know, for the World War. Random. Also you could be a massive cotton mill as well, something well, like a cotton wool mill. So there's a random spot. Tea rooms. One much. You're gonna drink. That's a restaurant, okay?
Dad,
Nice little restaurant.
Dad, this is an old restaurant.
It's an old restaurant.
Yeah, look, we don't my purple mix.
Make it a little bit longer.
What do you got, George?
Purple mix.
Little mix.
It's a slushy mix.
Here.
Right, that's us back now. Nice little dairy, that one, it Kim.
Yep,
Yeah.
random find.
Not bad for a postcode lottery, that one. Definitely try it, it's worth it. Hey, George, you had fun. See you on the next one.